Hey there, food lovers! Have you ever tried using chopsticks for the first time? If you have, you know it can be quite the adventure. And if you haven't, oh boy, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm diving into the hilarious world of chopstick fails. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So picture this. You're at your favorite Asian restaurant and you decide to ditch the fork and go full authentic with chopsticks. How hard can it be, right? Well, for some, it's like attempting a level 99 boss battle with 0 experience points. First up, the classic noodle drop. You know the one, when you finally manage to pick up a single noodle, only for it to slip through your chopsticks and splatter right back into the bowl. It's like the noodles have a mind of their own. And the look of concentration on people's faces, priceless. They're like, I got this, oh no, I don't got this. Then there's the rice challenge. You might think rice is easy, it's tiny, right? Wrong! Watching someone try to pick up individual grains of rice is like watching a game of microscopic Jenga. And when they try to scoop a whole bunch, let's just say rice can be very uncooperative. The struggle is real, folks. And let's not forget the sushi roll disaster. You see someone eyeing that perfect sushi roll, it's calling their name. They carefully grasp it with their chopsticks, lift it towards their mouth, and then splat. The sushi roll disintegrates midair, leaving them with a sad little pile of rice and fish on their plate. It's as if the sushi gods are testing their patience. But the fun doesn't stop there. Have you ever seen someone try the chopstick flip? It's when they attempt to switch from using chopsticks like tweezers to using them like a shovel. Spoiler alert, it rarely ends well. The chopsticks twist and turn and food goes flying everywhere. It's like watching a food juggling act gone wrong. And the best part? The laughter. The sheer joy and hilarity that ensues when people realize just how tricky chopsticks can be. Friends cheering each other on, families giggling together. It's the ultimate bonding experience. Who knew chopsticks could bring so much joy? So, next time you're out for some delicious Asian cuisine, go ahead and try the chopsticks. Embrace the challenge, laugh at the fails, and enjoy the journey. Because sometimes it's the little things like mastering chopsticks that make life oh so sweet. Thanks for hanging out with me, food lovers. If you enjoyed these hilarious chopstick fails, hit that like button and subscribe for more foodie fun. Until next time, keep eating, keep laughing, and keep loving all things delicious.